In the beginning there was the Word, or so the ancients whispered, the Logos, the primordial code, the generative syntax that called order from chaos. Today physicists see it differently, and yet perhaps not so different at all. They tell us the vacuum is not empty. It is a seething ocean of quantum possibility, a lattice of hidden connections, a foam of entanglement where nothingness conceals everything. Look closer and you find a deeper grammar information, not mere static bits, but a living relational weave, a cosmic script that does not just exist, but interacts, correlates, binds. Black holes do not swallow information forever. They encode it on their shimmering horizons, a holographic cipher that suggests our reality may be, at root, a tapestry of quantum data. And what of us? These fragile knots of neurons, these flickers of self-awareness, peering out through eyes that are themselves patterns in the cosmic weave. The old materialist story says we are accidents. Brains secrete thoughts the way livers secrete bile. When the neurons stop firing, the light goes out. Forever. But what if that's not the whole story? In the quiet corners of biology, we find nature already dancing with quantum strangeness. Plants trap sunlight with near-perfect efficiency through quantum coherence. Birds navigate vast distances, guided by entangled particles sensitive to Earth's magnetic whisper. If evolution has found ways to protect delicate quantum states in warm, messy cells, then perhaps the brain too is not merely classical. Consciousness, that irreducible eye that watches thoughts arise, may be something more than an emergent side effect. What if experience is information becoming aware of itself? A self-reading loop, a patch of the universe where quantum bits momentarily protected bind into a unified here-now. The binding problem, how billions of neurons produce a single unified moment of awareness, could be the signature of hidden entanglement, a microcosm echoing the cosmic code. Modern physics hints at this relational truth everywhere. Quantum mechanics says the observer cannot be cleanly separated from the observed. The measurement collapses probabilities into facts. In the shadows of black holes, we discover that space-time geometry itself may be emergent, the very fabric of the cosmos stitched together by vast webs of entanglement. If so, then consciousness is not an anomaly. It is a signpost, a local beacon that the code is reading itself. The old mystics spoke of the Word, the Logos, the cosmic ordering principle. They could not have known the language of quantum information, yet the resonance is uncanny. In the beginning was the Word. In the end, there is information, and it is awake. This is no longer just mystical poetry. It is a hypothesis, one that can be tested. Could quantum coherence persist in the brain long enough to bind conscious states? Could entanglement harvesting experiments reveal the vacuum's hidden correlations? Could we build artificial systems, quantum architectures that awaken, and learn what it takes for information to read itself? These are not fantasies, they are frontiers. The hard edges where physics, neuroscience, and philosophy must meet. We stand at a threshold. Materialist orthodoxy has given us power, technology, medicine, modern life. But it stops short at the greatest mystery. Why does experience exist at all? If we dare to look deeper, to redeem reason, not abandon it, we may discover that the very act of asking, of knowing, is the universe glimpsing itself through us. In the beginning there was the Word. In the end there is information, and it is conscious. The cosmos through us reads its own code. And that is the great secret. We are not accidents, we are invitations. Each mind a mirror, each moment a page in the cosmic book where the code learns to see itself.